Good morning children, welcome to Narayana Live classes. Today I am here with the third assignment of the same topic, that is glimpses of the past, dated 18th June. So let's go ahead again. We have got 5 questions. Each question answer we are going through. The first question we have is, name a single important change brought by Lord Macaulay in the education in India. The very famous change which came in India, which was brought actually by Lord Macaulay, was the medium of education would have to be in English. That's what he suggested to the British. This was the biggest change. Now you can add adjective according to you. I'm not going to add it. So the answer is Lord Macaulay made English the medium of education in India. Earlier, all education was imparted through Persian and Sanskrit. So, the second question of the assignment is, what was the main reason for revolt in East India Company? The main reason behind that the facilities, salaries or perquisites which were given to the white soldiers was much higher than what was given to the Indian soldiers. Another point is that while the white soldiers were enjoying all the privileges, Indian soldiers were given just a pittance. That was the reason of revolt. I'm writing on the board, please have a look. The main reason for revolt was that the salaries and the perquisites which were given to the white soldiers was much higher than what was given to the Indian soldiers. White soldiers enjoyed all the privileges while the Indian soldiers were given a pittance. Now the next question we have, give 2 reasons that helped the British to extend their power in 18th century. first reason is that the Britishers had superior weapons. And the second reason, that divide and rule which they applied in India, due to that the Indian princesses started fighting with one another. So the quarrels among Indian princes, we can say that. I'm going to write on the board, please have a look. There are mainly two reasons. Two reasons of what? Two reasons for the British to extend their power in 18th century. So it's understood, huh? So first option, their superior weapons, and B, the quarrels among the Indian princes. Now we have the next question of the assignment. How did Kunwar Singh of Bihar show bravery while fighting with the British? I'm writing the answer, please have a look. Eighty-year-old. Just unbelievable, huh? 80-year-old Veer Kunwar Singh received a bullet in his wrist. 80-year-old Veer Kunwar Singh received a bullet in his wrist while fighting with the British. And what did he do after that? Instead of succumbing to the injury, he just cut it off and threw it into the river Ganga, saying that it was the last gift. It was the last gift for Mother Ganga. For Mother Ganga. Now the last question of the assignment, but not the least, of course. The religious leaders in India used to preach some bogus practices in the latter half of the 17th century. What were these practices? What were those beliefs? Let me tell you, they were untouchability, child marriages, and the belief that if anyone would cross the sea, would lose his religion. And it was also believed that the cause of all the misery in the world was women. I'm going to write it, please have a look. These were, number A, untouchability, number B, child marriage, number C, a belief in which it was considered that if anyone would cross the sea, he would lose the religion. So this is how the assignment is over. I hope you were better enlightened with. Thank you.